This device, which is of the size of a lunchbox, can really change the way how data centers across the globe are operating. Every time you scroll, swipe, or stream, there's a data center somewhere that's consuming power and cash. But what if these data centers could be greener, sustainable, flexible, and even faster? Welcome to Bharat Climate Startups. Switch on to sustainable data centers built in India for the world by our very own startup, Simware. They have built a device size of a lunchbox. It's called SIM, Composable Infrastructure Module. Think of SIM as the brain of the data center. It just doesn't move data, it controls how memory, compute, and storage are used. With SIM, resources aren't locked to one server, they are pulled across the rack and used wherever needed, which means no idle machines, no wasted power. It's built on the concept of unified memory, a concept that comes from Indian philosophy and now used to reimagine the future of cloud. With SIM, companies cut costs by 80%, use 25% less power, and 4 times more capacity without buying new servers. And now it's going global with early deployments in US, UK, and South Korea, and built right here in India. Backed by Transition VC, Simware is on track for $175 million in revenue by 2027. So, is it a switch on to sustainable, smarter data centers for the entire globe built here right in India, Sada, India?